Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. It is time to open a box from Harris QuickSilver. Harris QuickSilver doesn't post that many videos, but the ones he posts are about fatwood. And on one of his videos, I posted a comment that I would like to have or buy some of his fatwoods. And to my surprise, I got a box of fatwood from him. Well, it's a box and it feels like wood inside, so we're gonna find out together. But first, let me open my Christmas card from SD Mountain Man. Before I show you the postcard, let me pop open my beer. All right, folks, and today's beer, I had it for a couple of years also. This is from Jerry Hagerman, 7.1 alcohol by volume, Budweiser Black Lager. It says freshest by March 2020. We're gonna test that. Here we go. Thank you, Jerry Hagerman. All right, folks, here we go with this Budweiser from Jerry Hagerman. Beautiful dark color. Let's go for the smell test. Doesn't smell bad at all. Very little head. Cheers, Jerry Hagerman, and Happy New Year. Not bad at all. It's dark, so it has dark flavor. Cheers, everyone. Good beer. Thank you again, Jerry Hagerman. I hope you have a happy new year. It's now for my card from SD Mountain Man. Oh, I got a cool sticker, man. Hell yeah, SD Mountain Man. Yeah, that's very nice. Merry Christmas and a happy new year always, SD Mountain Man. Thank you, SD Mountain Man. Cheers, SD Mountain Man, and Happy New Year. All right, folks, here we go. My box from Harris QuickSilver. Hell yeah, check that out, folks. Check out that fatwood. Man, smells delicious. I got me a little note. All right, folks, so this is some Loblolly and Southern Yellow fatwood. Look at all this beautiful fatwood, man. Damn. Check that out. Check out all that beautiful fatwood, folks. And I'm gonna light this one up. All right, Harris, thank you very much for that fatwood. I'll keep in touch. Cheers, man, and Happy New Year. Let's get a burn done. So I'm gonna burn my fatwood from Louisiana in my Fab Creations Big Brutha stove. I got my knife from 73 Forge, the Tocoda, some Louisiana fatwood. Beautiful. and of course my Steve's Homestead Ferro striker. Check it out. Man, that's some good stuff. This is some hard fatwood. Fatwood. I'll tell you what, folks, this is some very, very dense fatwood and sticky. Let's get this fire going, folks. Here we go. There it is. Alright, folks, I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy Fatwood Friday. Happy New Year too, everyone. Cheers.